Welcome to watch operation videos about Delta Robotic Simulation Platform. This episode shows how to use collision detection. Collision detection is a function to check whether robots or other moving parts collide with peripheral equipment during simulation. A collision set contains two groups, objects A and objects B, in which user picks the objects to monitor collisions between selected groups. When any part in objects A collides with parts in objects B, collision displayed in graphical view, which will support the user to optimize the layout. User to define collision detection with the robot and its tool in one group and rest all parts in a different group to monitor collision detection. Setting functions description as below. Operation steps as follow. Step 1. Import robot, open jog window and RL editor. Then click collision detection button. Step 2. Check a selected components selection mode feature to add objects for collision detection. Possible to add multiple objects as assembly. Step 3. Set the method of object selection to assembly a part. First, click robot in the simulation window and then check add assembly as one unit to add. Second, select multiple object in simulation screen and add, then check add assembly as one unit to add. Step 4. Dragging behavior and select relaxation in mechanism, then set other collision detection parameters as per description of parameter setting. Step 5. Switch to drag mode. Step 6. Move the robot for collision testing. First, click on the end of the tool and use tree-ball to drag the robot directly. Second, use jog to move the robot, disable tree-ball. Third, use robot language to control the robot, disable tree-ball. Note 1. Switch the simulation screen to shaded. The screen update will be smoother. Note 2. The robot position obtained by dragging the tree-ball drag mode cannot be used for teach and save. Note 3. Click on check mark or X mark in the collision detection window to stop collision detection. Check mark, stop collision detection and maintain the current position of all objects. X mark, stop collision detection and restore the position of all objects. Note 4. Closing the collision detection window is equivalent to turning OFF simulation of the collision detection. Demo video as follow. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.